Now we're going to try to determine which one of these tables, A, B, or C, could have been produced from this equation here. So let's look first of all at table A. Now table A says that when x is 0, y is 6. So in y equals 2x minus 6, what do we get if we try this substitution? 2 times 0 minus 6. Well, that gives us 6 equals negative 6. That's false, all right? So A, no. Let's go over to table B, see if we could get a match with table B. Now we've got the equation y equals 2x minus 6. And first up is 0, negative 6. So if x is 0, y would be negative 6. So let's substitute those values into our equation, see where it takes us. So negative 6 equals 2 times 0 minus 6. Yeah, negative 6 equals negative 6. That's okay. But we need to keep checking. So now let's go down to the second row. When x is 1, it says y is negative 4. So let's check that. I'll draw a line here. So y is negative 4 equals 2 times 1 minus 6. Negative 4 equals 2 minus 6 is negative 4. That one checks. Let's try the third row here. It says when x is 2, y is negative 2. So let's put in a negative 2 here, and x is 2, so we'll get 2 times 2 minus 6. Negative 2 equals 4 minus 6. Yeah, negative 2 equals negative 2. Check. So far, B is looking pretty good. Then what about this last row? When x is 3, y is 0. So let's put those in. So 0 for y equals 2 times 3 minus 6. 0 is 6 minus 6. 0 equals 0. Check. So it looks like table 1, or table B, this is table B, right? Table B, yes, that table could have been produced by that equation. But we need to check table C. Maybe that was also produced by that equation. So what do we get here if we try, well, what do we get here? We get y equals 2x minus 6. And first up is if x is 0, y is negative 6. So we put negative 6, let's try it. Negative 6 is 2 times 0 minus 6. Yeah, that works. Negative 6 equals negative 6. Let's go to the second line. When x is 1, y is negative 5. So we'll put a negative 5 for y equals 2 times 1 minus 6. Negative 5 equals 2 minus 6. Negative 5 equals negative 4. Nope, that doesn't work. So table C will say no. So the only table that could have been produced using that equation is table B.